So your first reaction to the verdict?
This judgment is historical and hope that it will be accepted by all the parties. Even if there is scope of review and curative petition, but this has been given by consensus of all the 5 judges, so I don't hope that there is much scope of any further deviation.
But sir, the Muslim parties have already made their stand clear that they are going to ask for a review, because the judgment itself has 2 different things. That one, they rely on the ASI report, and on the other side, while giving rights to Muslim side, it is silent. So how are you going to take it?
Supreme Court has given double the size of the land which was under dispute. And earlier there was a political controversy that whether there can be alternate mosque in the Ayodhya or not. And after this judicial judgment of the 5 judges, that mosque can be built in a prominent place in Ayodhya. So I don't think that there is much any discontent in the Muslim parties, and it should be accepted by all those parties who were parties in the dispute before the Supreme Court.
So Justice Gogoi is going to retire in next 5 days. So asking for a review before he retires, do you think it's possible?
Review will be done by the new bench, which will be headed by the next Chief Justice, who was part of the present bench. So many times it happens that when the earlier also, when the judgment is given in the last days of any presiding judge, then it is reviewed by the next senior judge.
So can it be said that this verdict is still not an end to the dispute?
No, judicially it is end to the dispute. There is
but sir, there is always a scope of review.
There is a scope of review.
So basically we can still, if the Muslim side is still not satisfied, so they have the legal option open.
There may be discontent in the Hindu side also,
because
Nirmohi Akhada's claim has been rejected, but it is said that the new trust, they will be given the appropriate representation, and 1993 Ayodhya law has been endorsed, as was said in our book Ayodhya's Ram Temple in Court, that ultimately it has to be given by the central government only, which has been judicially endorsed by this judgment of the Supreme Court.
Right. Anyway, thank you so much, sir. Thank you for your valuable time, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.